Hey Derek, this is Larry Powell with Circle P Marketing. I just wanted to send this quick screencast over, kind of detailing how I think you guys could gain some more customers coming to your guys' website and improve your rankings for some high volume search terms that I think would help you guys generate a lot more traffic coming to your guys' website. First off, I do want to commend you guys on your website. It is very well built. I really like how you guys have it laid out. Very user friendly. One thing I definitely love on this is you guys have the click to call. You'd be surprised how many people don't have that on their website, so that is definitely great, because oftentimes as people are doing mobile searches these days. One thing I would like to see you guys do, you have your contact form here, but actually having that contact form on this homepage would really help you guys out with your conversions, because people are looking for the path of least resistance. And so having that contact form on there for potential homeowners to be listing their business or their houses with you guys, to where they're not having to search around for it, could definitely help you guys out with your conversions. So looking at keywords, the one I wanted to go after today for you guys is Property Management Companies Fort Worth. It currently has a monthly search volume of 200 searches per month. Being in the top spot for that search term, you can usually figure on getting about 33% of that search volume headed towards your website. And there's obviously multiple search terms you could use. This is just the one I was going to go after for you guys for today. So looking at Property Management Fort Worth, there's a couple different things we look at here. So this is paid advertising. So this is people paying Google to have their websites put right here on top. This can be a great option for people who aren't ranking very well. Statistically speaking, organic rankings getting into this top spot here, you're going to see a much higher ROI, and a lot more people coming to your guys' website. So again, this person's getting about 33% of that 200 200 searches per month coming to their website. Here you have the Google My Business or Google My Maps pack. There's a couple different things that play into how you get your business into this map pack. Citations is a big factor. Citations is any mentioning of your business name, address, and phone number on the web. I actually looked through the first 4 pages or so and wasn't able to find you guys. We'll kind of dive into that a little bit more later. But a couple other things is also it can be your description you have on your Google My Business page. So if your description, we'll pull that up real quick here. Your description you guys have on here is pretty weak. I would definitely recommend, 400 to 500 words for this description. And then really making sure you're including some of these high search volume keywords in this description as well. So when people are searching for you guys, Google knows, okay, this is something that's relevant. This is a business that's relevant to that search term. We'll put it in that map pack for people to be accessing that. There's a website I use called Ahrefs, and this allows me to look at what's called backlinks and referring domains. A backlink, the best way to describe it's kind of like the most popular kid in school, or we'll call it Site A, says that the least popular kid in the school is cool now, so or Site B, right? So Site A links to Site B, and in turn it brings up that popularity of Site B. So what you're looking for on these, with these backlinks, is you're looking for do follow, because that means you're getting that backlink juice back to your site. So you guys have 340 backlinks with 44 referring domains, with only 18 of those being do follow, which means you're getting that link juice back to your website. So definitely some room for improvement there. Increasing those backlinks would definitely help you guys with your overall organic rankings. Looking at the top ranked, so the top ranked is Fort Worth Property Management. So looking at their website, it's got a very similar design to your guys's. I do think you guys have some more content, which is great. Looking at the inner workings of their site, they have 709 backlinks for 112 referring domains, with 77 of those domains being those do follow. So it's definitely not an easy, but amount of backlinks is definitely a doable feat to pass these guys up. So definitely beefing up those backlinks, going to your guys' website. Getting relevant backlinks is a big one that Google really likes to see. So if you're getting a backlink from, say, a shopping website for baby bottles, that's not going to be, niche relevant, is what Google's looking for. So getting a backlink to, another property management, something property management related, anything talking about property management is going to have a lot more weight behind it for Google, and will in turn really help you guys out with those rankings. So the last thing I talked about was citations. So looking at citations, Specialized Property Management is the top ranked in the map pack currently. They have 24 citation sources where you guys have 52. So I'm pretty confident that if you guys were to go in there and increase your organic rankings where you're moving up into these, top couple spots here, and you really optimize out that GMB with your description, you guys would also be able to get into this map pack as well. And again, this is very valuable territory, especially with people doing mobile search as often as they are. For people to be able to click on your business and call you right off of this is very valuable as a business owner. So if you have any questions on any of this, feel free to reach out. I'd love to talk to you more. Thank you.